Najua nimewapotelea for long, though si for long, like nimekuwa tu na nyinyi last week. I know you're wondering who nani amekaa hapa. This is the only week I have. Aibo, send help, oh, send help. I promised you all a room tour, like the site house I was talking about on the other video. So I promised you guys I'll be giving you a room tour, and that's what I want to do right now. I'm so excited about what I've come up with. I hope you watched the previous video before this. You'll get why we are here. Kama uko watch hii video, please, actually iko na views kiasi, and then watch. Hey, hata munihurumi. I am still doing the renovations. Bado fundi aja touch up. This is what I came with before fundi a touch up, because I still have some things I have to add. I have to add, though nilisha add one of them, of which is my bed. Right now I have a pallet bed. It's part of the vibe. I'm going for vintage retro vibe with a touch of boho and clean aesthetics. Siwezi sema yangu ni minimalist, because I'm not a minimalist person. Like, I love my space looking artful. Sija add vitu zote nilikuwa nataka ku add, but enjoy. Nikizi add, you won't see the difference. But first we have to see the before. Like room ikiwa empty, the mabanyo ikiwa venye ilikuwa. That's what I managed to come up with before the fundis touch it up, before I paint, before I do anything. For me, it's good. It's too cozy. Like, it's me. It's so me, and I love it so much. Like, this is my safe heaven, and I'll be showing you guys the process. Let's forget that. I'll be showing you guys the process. Each step, each update, and things I'll be replacing. One of the major things, you see that cracked mirror, that one right there, that one must be replaced. This roof, you must see something, you must fix easy vitu zimetokana. Then you see they didn't do the inaitwaje, au kupaka rangi vizuri. It's not neat, you can see, so I'll have to do something with it. Then the bulb, I was to add something over there, chandelier, but I'll make it. It will be on another update. It really takes time to make it, so I'll make it late, and I don't think I have the materials zote. And yeah, this is my space. Welcome to my room. And you can share with people to like see this done. Tag your friends to come and see how beautiful and make this space look. And I just feel like yapping, and I don't want like yap. The next video will probably be a vlog, and I'm thinking of returning back my talking videos. Yeah, I think I have a cozy corner, baby. That's my cozy corner right there. That one. So I think I'll go back to doing talking videos on mental health and all of that. So guys, bye. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and connect to home.
Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me